So now you've seen a little bit about what you can do with a data frame. Now I just want to show you how to load in a data frame from a text file. RStudio makes this quite easy. You can actually just go up here to the right top, import data set from text file. And let's go to our, let's go to the information about our stimuli, so stimuli.txt, and say open. So then we get this dialog box that asks us various things. You can see it can tell these are the tab characters separating the columns, so it recognizes separators are tabs. I'm saying yes, there's a heading, so that will know that these should be the variable names: file name, speaker, gender, voice quality. R will know to take those as variable names. Other thing is we have checked strings as factors. So strings, those are not numbers. So strings are actually, all of these are strings. They're like strings of characters, and so R will then automatically encode these as qualitative factors, just like the iris species. So finally, the name. This tells us we can say what variable name we want to save this data frame as when we import it. R, by convention in R, people often use dots or periods to kind of act as delimiters like spaces. So I could call this, for instance, I don't know, fry stimuli or something, or fry stimuli info, or dot dat, something like that. Just to show you how you can make a variable name with periods. So let's import that, and you can see what's happened is the console. You can see that RStudio automatically um, ran this command read.delim, which then said which which text file I was importing, which file path it was, and then it assigned it to the variable fry.stimuli.dat. Fry.stimuli.dat now appears here in the environment under data. And you can see we also have a little viewer appear here where we can look at our data frame. So now we have that loaded in. We can go ahead and say, do the same kind of commands we were doing for iris. So str to find a structure of stimuli, fry.stimuli.dat, for instance, and so forth. So that's just a little introduction to using R, including a little bit of working with data frames and loading in a data frame from a text file.